Let's configure Uptrace to automatically detect issues and notify us. First, we need to choose where notifications should be delivered. Uptrace can send alerts to different channels such as messengers, incident systems, or webhooks. Now let's create a monitor that will watch our application automatically. We will monitor server request spans. Instead of average duration, we track the slowest request. Grouping by operation shows latency for each operation separately. We keep only server spans because they represent handled requests. We can define a threshold for triggering notifications and choose where the alert will be delivered. Now the monitor continuously evaluates incoming traffic. When the threshold is exceeded, the monitor fires and Uptrace creates an alert event. The alert stays unresolved until someone acknowledges and investigates the issue. We can open alerts to see the detected problem. Monitors can also be created directly from dashboards. You can pick any chart and turn it into a monitor. Uptrace automatically uses the chart query and prepares alert conditions. You can also create monitors directly from the overview page. If a metric looks suspicious, you can start monitoring it immediately, configure alert conditions, and track it continuously. With Uptrace, you can turn telemetry into alerts and investigate issues in just a few clicks.